Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Yesterday I was chatting to an old friend of mine who's also another father, and he was telling me that he's recently started playing chess at the weekend with his daughter. I mentioned that I also sometimes play chess with my son at the weekend, and my friend asked me if I ever let my son win just to boost his confidence a little bit. I was slightly taken aback by this idea and replied by saying that I'm not one of those parents that ever goes easy on their kids. I want my son to feel that if he's beaten me, he's earned the victory. It hasn't been handed to him on a plate. If you go easy on someone, you basically treat them in a very kind and gentle way. Maybe by letting them win, maybe by not punishing them or not criticising them. So perhaps you have some new students who aren't used to the way things work in your classes or your school, and you decide that even though they've not done exactly what you wanted them to do, you're going to go easy on them because they're still learning the ropes. Or maybe you have a worker who works for you, an employee, and they've not been performing brilliantly recently, but you decide to go easy on them because you know that they're having a hard time at school. Also, sometimes we use go easy on to talk about not using too much of things. So maybe if you're watching one of your children cover a dessert in loads of sugar or cover a meal in loads of salt, you might say, whoa, go easy on the sugar there, go easy on the salt there, don't use all of it. And maybe if you've got a friend who's hitting the bottle a little bit and drinking a bit too much, you might take them to one side and tell them, listen, you need to go easy on the booze. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use go easy on.